Ohio gozaimasu wanderers, welcome back to the channel. Nate and I are already on the move today. We've checked out here in Hiroshima. We're waiting for our Shinkansen to Nagoya. A little tired, just running upstairs. Oh. Nate's trying to throw my bag on the ground. Nate and I made it to our second train. We're now in Osaka. Next stop's Nagoya. Okay, we arrived in Nagoya, went straight to the coin lockers to put our stuff up so we can get rid of our bags and explore the city for a couple hours. At least at this one, they are all taken. So we're gonna have to hopefully find another one, I hope. Today is just, things are not working out, man. We really thought we'd just find a coin locker, throw this stuff in, and it's just not happening. We've been to 3 different coin locker places now, and they're all taken. And there's tons of other people looking around for them too. Everybody here wants a coin locker. This is a very cool mall we're walking through, but we have so much garbage on us. We can't put them anywhere. Like, everyone is walking around with bags trying to put them in coin lockers. Every coin locker you find, there's like 5 to 10 other people there already looking around trying to find an open locker. So I found coin lockers on Google Maps, and I'm gonna walk to this one that says it's somewhere else. I don't know how this is gonna work, but this is nothing here. Okay, the station was craziness. So we tracked this, it said coin lockers on Google Maps, so I followed it, and it's a salon. I didn't see any coin lockers. I do need a haircut. I think I'm going to try to write the Airbnb. On their thing is that they don't want baggage drop off, but I'll see if they'll make an exception. Cause we got nowhere to put these, dude. Like, we're just walking around here for the next 2 hours, hungry. Nate's sick with these heavy bags. We can't do anything. It sucks, dude. I think this has easily been the worst first hour, 2 hours, however long it's gonna take in a city that we've had while traveling. This has sucked. It's just, I don't know. I'm just doing a lot of complaining. We're walking to the Airbnb now. I wrote them. They said they will take the bags. 20 something minutes away to walk there. No train will go there. It's going well. Okay, we got our bags dropped off. The lady speaks only Japanese, which might be part of the reason why there was some confusion in the messages as well, because Airbnb will automatically translate messages between different languages. Look at that car, Nate.
Yeah.
And so sometimes things get like lost in translation, but she showed me how to check in. We check in about an hour and 10 minutes. The room was not ready, or I'm sure she would have been like, come on up. What is it?
It's french fries, chicken nuggets, and onion rings.
After all this time, we finally decided to try Moss Burger, which is like their fast food place here in Japan. Nate chose not to order a burger, the thing that they're known for.
I don't eat fast food burgers at home either, so chicken nuggets.
Are you 30?
Yes.
Or 3?
Both.
How is it? Oh my god.
Well, I lost one, but it was fine.
Okay, I actually got a cheeseburger. It's just a very standard one, as I didn't know what to get here. It's pretty basic. It's kind of reminds me of McDonald's burger a little bit. I don't know, there's nothing insightful to say about it. Not amazing, but it's not bad. It's a fast food burger. Also, there's some kind of One Piece collab here, because on mine and Nate's, it's like One Piece branded. Guys, Nate went ahead and gave me one of his nuggets to try. I'm gonna tell you what it tasted like, okay? It hit me like a ton of bricks, and when I said it, Nate's like, yep, that's it. You take this how you want. I'm not saying it's good or bad. You take it how you want. It tastes just like a kid's cuisine chicken nugget. You know the kid's cuisine, like things you heat up in the microwave, and they have the like brownie that's like lava when you eat it, and there's like corn, mashed potatoes maybe?
Soupy mashed potatoes.
Yeah, and they have the ones with the chicken nuggets. It's these. It's straight up these. Marketing works. I see One Piece characters holding chicken, and I'm like, I should have bought the chicken. But if it just tastes like kids' cuisine chicken, then I don't know. We have checked in here in Nagoya, finally. And it's definitely the smallest room we've been in, for sure. But it doesn't matter. It's fine. Oh, there's a television. Very tiny. Nate and I sometimes watch YouTube. We bought an HDMI cord and we plug it in and watch YouTube or One Piece and stuff sometimes. Probably not happening here. I think my laptop's basically the size of that. The room's not bad. Oh, at least they have a good storage area. Because some of the first room we were in, it was bigger than this, but it had like no storage area. So we just had everything everywhere. Why is the light not coming back on? The room is a little questionable. So far, Nagoya in general has been a little questionable. But let's see how it goes. We do have something planned for tonight. So we're going to get showered, get cleaned up, get feeling good, and then go to the thing we have planned. And it's gonna be a good night.
2 hours later.
All right, guys, good evening. Nate and I are headed out. We're finally gonna explore the city a little bit. It's evening, it's windy, but we're gonna enjoy it. It's a bit cold.
A little rainy.
A little rainy, a little rainy. A little rain ain't never hurt nobody. We're going to the Sky Promenade. As you guys know, my favorite thing to do when I arrive in a new city is go high up and see the view from above. The Sky Promenade is it's another one of those building tower things where you can go high up.
It's literally Assassin's Creed logic.
Yes, I go to the viewpoint and figure out where everything's at, and then I can go from there. Look at that building, guys. Sick. It was really cool. I don't know why I liked it so much, but I actually really liked it. I think because it was lower, I actually kind of made it cooler because you can see more details of the buildings and things around instead of everything just being like, that building looks like an ant. That building looks like an ant. Did you like it, Nate?
It was just tall enough to see everything.
Yeah, it was like the perfect height, I feel like, and to be different than the other ones. And seeing it at night was really cool. I would recommend this one for night. People recommended it at night, and I see why. I think it was perfect at night. Nate and I were looking at a pizza place by our Airbnb, so I guess we're gonna head back that way. Yeah, I think we'll head there, grab that pizza. Like I said, Nate's a little bit. So he's thinking about, you know, we'll maybe retire early. Nate will soak in the bath. We got a bathtub and just chill, relax for tonight. We ordered pizza here. It smells incredible. We weren't actually able to order it here. It looks like it's only order online and then either delivery or carry out. So we ordered it on Uber Eats. More specifically, Nate ordered it on Uber Eats. So I guess I'm buying his food for all tomorrow. Oh, he's gave me a thumbs up.
At least one meal.
At least one meal. But yeah, we gotta wait about 20 minutes and then we'll grab it and head on backity-backing. There she blows. Nate, give her a try.
Alrighty. Nice little delicious piece.
Okay.
It's actually really good.
It's really good?
Better than the Domino's we've been getting.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. This dude is full of crap. Let's see. That's great. That's really great. Mmm. We got this really thin, crispy crust, though. The crust options were a little confusing. A lot of the stuff's in Japanese, man. It's a little hard to know. There's a little spice in that. Tiny little kick.
Spiced Italian sausage.
It's not
And
too
there was,
crazy, but...
peppercorn or something.
Mmm. That's pretty freaking good. Wow. Would recommend.